ABC6 Weather with meteorologist Tyler Hughes. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
All right, here we go. We've got a weather alert day today for the possibility of some strong storms later this afternoon into early this evening. So I want to show you what we're thinking. About 4 to 9 o'clock, that's the timing that we would probably see strong to severe thunderstorms later this afternoon. What are the threats here? Heavy rain, locally an inch plus, not out of the question if you see downpours associated with these storms. Gusty winds and small hail as well are a possibility. And you see here, this is a radar snapshot from our model at about 6 o'clock, showing the storms gradually moving from northwest to southeast over much of southern New England. So again, 4 to 9 p.m. this evening, that's when we're concerned with the possibility of some storms. Temperatures out the door this morning are quite comfortable. We're sitting in the upper 60s and low 70s out there. 67 in the capital city, 70 North Kingstown, 67 in New Bedford too. But the temperatures will begin to increase. It will be a humid morning as well, and that heat and humidity will give way to those thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Those storms don't get here until late this afternoon, though, so if you have any plans up until about 2, 3 o'clock or so, you should be good to go. We'll reach highs in the upper 80s, though, so it will be, again, a little uncomfortable, a little on the hot side, right, until those thunderstorms start to arrive a bit later on in the afternoon. So again, if you have plans this morning, you should be good to go. If you want to head to the beach until about 3 o'clock or so, you should be good. Keep in mind that UV index will be high, and it'll be in the low 80s along our beaches. High tide coming up at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and low tide is just after 8 o'clock this morning. Visibility will be good out on the water as well. So we had this front pass through yesterday. This was what was bringing us the unsettled weather yesterday. That's off the coast now. We're ushering in this warm, humid air mass with flow from the south, and that is the fuel for our next thunderstorms, which are along this cold front right here. So you see, over the next few hours, this cold front draws nearer. It'll spark off the thunderstorms that we see later this evening, and then the cold front moves out, and back behind it, this guy, Big Blue H, high pressure taking control, and that means the holiday weekend, folks, is looking fantastic. We just have to get through these storms first. So let's time them out for you on Futurecast. Again, you see here, you're good until about 3 o'clock for any activities you may have planned. 4, 5 o'clock, that's when we start to see some storm activity really filling in. Providence through southeastern Massachusetts as well. Then 6, 7, 8 o'clock, you begin to see a break in the action, at least on this model. Again, things vary a little bit, right? But then we begin to see some showers that move in back behind the thunderstorms, and I think this will be likely what disrupts some of the fireworks we have as well. I believe New Bedford and Warwick have fireworks tonight at 9, and Bristol has fireworks tonight at 9:30. So you'll want to be keeping a very close eye on the radar if you're headed to any of these celebrations. And of course, keep a close eye with the authorities as well. They'll let you know whether those fireworks are still on. When we talk about severe weather, there are factors that you have to consider. We don't consider lightning in terms of a severe storm or flooding. Those can happen whether the storm is severe or not. So just keep that in mind. For a storm to be severe, it has to hit one of these 3 things. It has to be damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or greater, hail 1 inch or bigger, or tornado threat. So just keep that in mind. I don't think we'll be seeing any tornado threats as we head into later on today. Temperatures tomorrow, though, will be very comfortable as we head into the holiday weekend in the low to mid 80s, just a bit cooler along the coastline as well. So here's the 7-day forecast. Again, once we get through the storms, any plans you have for the 4th looking great, and then we increase the heat and humidity as we head into next week. Cara?
Let us know what to expect there.